In this clip, I'm going to be showing you how to make a valance. There are 3 different kinds of valances that you can make. There's a basic valance, which is straight or shaped short fabric panel that can be stapled to a mounting board, or it can have a rod pocket opening. There's also a scarf valance that is normally 6 to 8 yards of fabric that is draped over a rod, and also you can drape it over wall sconce. The third one is called a blouse and valance. It is similar to the basic valance, except this one's going to have 2 layers. It is self-lined and you sew through both layers. It is also going to be stuffed with either tissue paper, newspaper, or you can even use plastic bags, and it makes it poof at the bottom. A valance can be pleated, gathered, have a rod pocket opening, or be mounted onto a mounting board. And today I'm going to show you how to make a blouse and valance.